Owning a Ducati has always been the ultimate dream for riders from Los Angeles to London. It is the Ferrari of two wheels, a masterpiece of Italian design, soul, and pure adrenaline. But as we move into 2026, that dream comes with a price tag that is paralyzing bank accounts across the globe. It is called the Ducati Tax. If you are planning to join the Ducatisti family this year, you need to understand that the initial purchase price is just the entry fee to a very expensive club. Today, we are breaking down the brutal reality of what it actually costs to keep an Italian stallion in your garage in 2026 and why it might be the most expensive mistake you ever make. Let us start with the heart of the matter, the Desmo service. While most modern Japanese and European bikes have moved to low-maintenance valve trains, Ducati sticks to its legendary Desmodromic system. In 2026, a major Desmo service on a Panigale V4 or a Multistrada can easily set you back $2,000 to $3,000. This isn't just an oil change, it is a surgical procedure. It requires specialized tools, proprietary software, and hours of expert labor that only a certified dealership can provide. If you try to skip this, you aren't just risking performance. You are risking a catastrophic engine failure that could cost $10,000 to fix. The Ducati Tax starts in the workshop, and it never really stops. Then there is the cost of parts. In 2026, global logistics and the premium positioning of the brand have pushed the price of genuine Italian parts to insane levels. A simple tip-over in your driveway that cracks a carbon fiber fairing or snaps a billet aluminum lever can result in a repair bill that looks like a mortgage payment. Even the consumables are pricier. Ducati's high-performance engines and aggressive geometry eat through tires and brake pads faster than almost any other brand. You are paying for top-tier Brembo and Pirelli components, and in 2026, those prices are at an all-time high. You aren't just buying parts, you are financing the Italian luxury supply chain. Insurance is the hidden killer of the Ducati dream. In 2026, insurance companies have flagged high-performance Italian bikes as high-risk more than ever before. Because the repair costs are so astronomical, your annual premium for a new Streetfighter V4 could actually be higher than the insurance for a luxury sports car. For younger riders in urban areas like New York, Paris, or Sydney, the insurance cost alone can be $300 a month. When you add the monthly finance payment, the fuel, and the maintenance fund, you are looking at a total cost of ownership that rivals a Porsche. But why do people still buy them? Because in 2026, a Ducati is more than just a motorcycle, it is a status symbol. It is about the way the dry clutch rattles, the way the V4 engine screams at 13,000 RPM, and the way people stop and stare when you park at a cafe. The Ducati Tax is real, and it is heavy, but for those who crave the ultimate riding experience, it is a price they are willing to pay. However, for the average rider, the 2026 reality is a wake-up call. You aren't just buying a bike, you are adopting a high-maintenance lifestyle. So, is the passion worth the price? If you have the deep pockets to handle the tax, there is nothing else on earth that feels like a Ducati. But if you are on a budget, that Italian soul might just break your heart and your wallet. Before you sign that paperwork in 2026, ask yourself, can I afford the bike or can I afford the tax? Let us know in the comments if you think the Ducati experience is worth the insane maintenance costs. Is it a masterpiece or just a money pit? Ride safe and choose wisely.